Small and big wins in life deserve to be celebrated in the best way possible. Your graduation ceremony is a win. Baby shower ceremony, another win. Your wedding ceremony, a big win. That is to mention just a few. But it is challenging to plan an event. It is cumbersome and time-consuming. Do you have any reliable vendors? Do you have several venues in mind? Venues you can choose from to fit your budget and event perfectly? Have you been to an event where the whole vibe was killed by bad food? Yes, you need the best catering services for your big day. Also, talk of decor, lighting, an excellent master of ceremony, and above all, quality cameras to capture all the beautiful frozen moments. Sounds too much? It is. Why not enjoy this important time in your life? Let our event planner take the reins and help you make your special day be as special as it can possibly be. We as Janeson have been in the event planning industry for more than 5 years, rated at 4.8, making it one of the best companies in Kenya. Our services are top-notch and they come in highly discounted prices, thus accommodating our customers' budgets. We have helped a lot of clients have events of their dreams. If you would like us to help you achieve the same, don't hesitate to call us today on 0714 444 045, or you can email us at services@janeson.co.ke.